Hi guys, how are you? So by the time you see this video that we're doing, just a quick little video, the newsletter will have already gone out. It will have been and gone, but I wanted to talk about the topic on that newsletter as well as the exciting surprise. So anyway, first of all, the ball jointed dolls that are the child dolls that we had about a year and a half ago, we've reordered, and there's been a lot of people looking for them recently, so they're going to be in this week. We've been out of stock on the Corteria, which has been hugely popular, and this is Zelda. We just have a brand new prototype that's just to die for that we're putting up today, and that shipment should be arriving sometime this week. So we're restocking on the child dolls, which are also the ball jointed dolls. So they're becoming more and more popular. We have them in 36-inch and 18-inch. Now, along with each newsletter, this is just a reminder for those of you who haven't signed up yet that you really need to sign up for the newsletter if you want to get the exclusive specials that we're putting on over the next little while. Gladys is busy cleaning up the warehouse. She's been finding some unpaid orders, which also means that we have some pretty exciting sold out rare finds. So on the newsletter that's going out regarding the ball jointed dolls, our special is Indie by Laura Lee Eagles. It's been sold out for a long time. I believe it came out in about 2016, so it's pretty old kit, but well sought after. And so we have a few of them found, and anybody who is on our newsletter list will have a link that will connect them directly to the doll kit that we're going to offer just to purchase, just at your regular retail price. So this one will have come and gone, as I said, but not to worry, we have more coming. So, but today's is Indie by Laura Lee Eagles, and I just wanted to show you what you can get if you're signed up for our newsletter. So make sure you sign up and make sure you read it, okay? So we'll talk to you soon. Good luck.